Hello everyone, I am Abhishek. Today we will cover our last topic, which is AI tools for 3D. So basically we will just use AI in Blender here. First go to Chrome, then ChatGPT. You can use any chatbot. Here I am using ChatGPT. So okay, I will ask here. Here I will have prompt. You write a best prompt to get a best output. Try to give as much dimension in prompt. Here I am just giving manual dimension. Python script is generated. Okay, now we have to copy it. And I copied, then go to general as I said earlier. Okay, here I will delete the by default cube. Okay, here go to text editor, new, and paste the code here. Here I will paste the code and run. Okay, then we'll go switch to 3D viewport. Here I can see the gear is generated, but you can see gear is not like perfect. So if you ever get this type of issue, then just change the prompt, or just I can say that change the code and on and try to give as much dimension. But I think hope you understand the how can we use Python script in Blender. Just go to 3D Viewer from text editor here. Okay, we'll go to our next topic. Now we will see how can we insert plugin in Blender. I mean, how can we open directly on the software in Blender. Okay, then again go to ChatGPT, a new chat, make a plugin to open. Sorry, I will create a new chat again. Make a plugin using Python script. As I said earlier, Blender only use Python script for editing and generation. Open to directly from Blender. The code is okay. Copy it. Blender file, new and general. Then go to edit, preference. Here you can see add-ons. Here you can see insert plugin. But before inserting plugin, we have to make it from using Notepad. Okay, go to the icon and select Node. Okay, paste the code here and save the file as ChatGPT suggested you the name, then I will recommend you the name. Type the name which ChatGPT suggested. Here I will go to ChatGPT to check the name. Here you can see ChatGPT already gave you how to insert the plugin. Okay, I will just copy this name. Okay, notepad, and I will save as. Okay, and all files. I will save on download folder. You can use any folder which you want. Okay, and save. Minimize it on the Blender preference and install from disk. Here you can see when you do Python is file is there. Just select install from disk and check that this icon. If it's unchecked, just check it. Okay, close this tab and press N on keyboard. Here you can see YouTube icon is appeared. Click on it. Open YouTube. To help you to directly go to YouTube. You can use any platform for plugin. Here I am just using YouTube to YouTube. Okay, understand. Now many of you have question, how can we generate a 3D entire 3D model through AI? So you can use Python script, but if you want like inbuilt model and accuracy for a, so you can use some website. So some website are Luma AI. To generate 3D model. Actually, server is busy of Luma AI. Then we will try to different website, which is a Meshy AI. Meshy AI. Actually, using this website is pretty simple. I don't think it will need. So here I clicked on generate 3D model. So here you can give a prompt. Let me see. Here again, text to model means just give a prompt generate model. Then just give the image to this website so it can reflect 1K. Run generate. Here you can see there is generated. Here I can just say type reprompt and again generate model. Okay, I understand. That's it for. Thank you.